Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian's Lifestyle in Melbourne. Today I am going to share moderate foods to take and foods to avoid in paleo diet. Paleo diet is designed to resemble what human hunter-gatherers ancestors ate thousands of years ago. Processed foods are made with refined grains, starches and sugars. They are high glycemic items and can cause large swings in blood sugar levels. Most modern cereal and sugar-based processed foods adversely affect insulin metabolism and are associated with greater risk of obesity, heart diseases, diabetes, high blood sugar, and other chronic health problems. Beverages. Diet sodas. This often contains artificial sweeteners such as aspartame and saccharin, which may be harmful. You have better off drinking bottled and mineral waters. Coffee, tea, wine, 2 to 4 ounces glasses, and don't buy cooking wine which is loaded with salt. Beer, 1 to 12 ounces servings. Pears, 4 ounces. Paleo sweets, dried foods, no more than 2 ounces a day. Nuts, mixed with dried and fresh fruits, not more than 4 ounces of nuts and 2 ounces of dried fruits a day, particularly if you are trying to lose weight. Foods you can avoid in paleo diet. Dairy foods. All processed foods made with dairy products, butter, cream, daily spreads, frozen yogurt, cheese, ice cream, ice milk, low-fat milk, non-fat dairy creamer, powdered milk, skim milk, whole milk, yogurt. Cereal grains, barley, barley soup, barley bread and all processed foods made with barley. Corn, corn on the cob, corn tortilli, corn chips, corn starch, corn syrup. Millet, oats, steel cut oats, rolled oats, all processed foods made with oats. Rice, brown rice, white rice, top ramen, rice noodles, basmati rice, rice flakes, rice flour, and all processed foods made with rice. Rye, rye bread, rye crackers, and all processed foods made with rye. Sorghum, wheat, bread rolls, muffins, noodles, crackers, cookies, cakes, dough, nuts, pancakes, waffles, pasta, spaghetti, lasagna, wheat tortilli, pizza, bread, flatbread, and all processed foods made with wheat or wheat flour. Wild rice, cereals grained like seeds, amrata, buckwheat, quinoa. Legumes, all beans, azuki, black beans, broad beans, fava beans, field beans, garbanzo beans, horse beans, kidney beans, lima beans, mung beans, navy beans, pinto beans, red beans, string beans, white beans. Black eyed peas, chickpeas, lentils, peas, miso, peanut butter, peanuts, snow peas, sugar snap peas, soya beans and all soya beans products including tofu. Starchy vegetables, starchy tubers, cassava root, manioc, potatoes and all potato products, french fries, potato chips, sweet potatoes, tapioca pudding, yams. Self-containing foods. Almost all commercial salad dressings and condiments, bacon, cheese, deli meats, frankfurters, ham, hot dogs, ketchup, olives, pickled foods, pork rinds, processed meats, salmon, salted nuts, salted peas. Foods you can take in moderate. Olive, avocado, walnut, flaxseed, canola oils used in moderation 4 tablespoons or less a day when weight loss is primary importance. And the bee you can take 1 to 12 ounce serving. There is no evidence to suggest that our Paleolithic ancestors drank any form of alcoholic beverages and it causes a serious behavior and social problems, can impair your health, damage your liver and increases your risk of developing many cancers. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please click on like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.